Let's see certain properties of division of integers. Okay. The first property says that for any two integers a and b, a divided by b need not necessarily be an integer. Now let us see what does this means. Okay, so let us take two different examples. First I take let's say minus 8 divided by 2, and the third one let's take minus 7 divided by 3. Okay, so when you divide minus 8 by 2, what is the result? So what we do is we divide this 8 by 2 to get 4, and because these are with a different sign, so we add a minus here. Now we know that minus 4 is also an integer, right? So the first part holds true. It is an integer, right? But what it says is it need not necessarily be an integer. Let's take the second example. So when you divide minus 7 by 3, what do you get? Well, when you divide 7 by 3, 3 into 2 gives you 6, 1. Because 1 is less than 3, so to divide further we need to point a point here, a point here, which will give us 10 here. 3, 9, 1, and so on. So the result is actually 2.3 something. But is 2.3 an integer? The answer is no. And hence the property that when you divide two integers a and b for whatever value they are, the result may or may not be an integer. Right? Let's take property number 2. For any integer a which you have, okay, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so a is an integer and a is not equal to 0, right? If you divide a by itself, okay, the answer is always going to be 1, right? So let's say I take minus 7 divided by minus 7. What is the answer I get? 7 divided by 7 is 1, because the sign are same, so I add a plus here. 3 divided by 3, obviously the answer is 1. 0 divided by 0, this is not defined, and that's the reason why we said that where a is not equal to 0, right? The third property says that when you divide any integer a by 1, the result is always the integer itself. And this is true even for 0. So if you divide 0 by 1, you get 0. If you divide minus 7 by 1, you get minus 7. The result is always equal to the integer itself. Okay? So these were some of the properties of division of integers. I will take you through some more in the next video.